Hey folks, today we're drinking some random beer that I thought sounded good, so I picked it up. And I picked this up months ago. I was sick for most of this year, as most of you, if you watch the channel regularly, know. And so finally getting to some beers that I've been meaning to get to. This is Rustic. Oh no, sorry. Birds Fly South Ale Project, Rustic Sunday, Blended Rye Farmhouse Ale. Sounds good. Whoa, almost dropped it. A little slippery. It's 7% alcohol by volume. A rye forward farmhouse ale, dry hop heavily with Hallertau Blanc. These hops combined with our house yeast culture provide aromas of grape skins and white wine. The spicy flavors of the yeast also tangle with the rye to create a crisp and refreshing 7% saison. Cheers. It says 218 on here, and I'm assuming that means February 2018, but who knows? So, well, it smells good already, so. A little over a finger of a nice, like, foamy white head. Maybe, might be just off white, but yeah, that's clear, sunny yellow, golden kind of color. And yeah, looks nice. Let's see what it smells like. It's got that, like, it smells like it's tart. Like my cheeks are already like tightening. Yeah, it's got that like peach or stone fruit pit kind of thing that these kinds of beers have. I believe it's, I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's, yeah, it smells like it might be like mixed fermentation or something. Maybe a slight pepper note. And I can see the, and there is a little bit of like the grape skin thing going on in here. And there's a little bit of a just like funky kind of thing. Subtle funky kind of thing. But it smells pretty good. So let's see what it tastes like. Cheers. This is interesting. There is a tartness to it, but it kind of comes in at a weird spot. So you get a little bit of that peach pit, stone fruit thing up front. I don't know if this was... It's dried out a little bit, so I don't know if this was oak aged. I don't know if the yeast is just drying that out or if there's... Yeah, I'm not really getting any like oak or wood flavor, so I think the yeast is just drying this out. Not in a bad way. Not getting a whole lot of... There is like a subtle rye pepper kind of thing. But yeah, it kind of tastes like... Like when it dries out in the finish, it's more of like a malty dryness rather than like a wood. But I don't... But I still don't know. I don't know. Something in this wants me to say that it is oak aged in some point, but I don't know anything about this brewery or this beer at all. I just saw blended rye farmhouse ale, and I was like, that's the beer for me. Ooh. I got a little more of that like grapey white wine kind of thing on that sip. It's good. Not as tart as I thought it was going to be based on the aroma. But yeah, I'm not mad. I don't know. I don't remember how much I paid for this, but probably more than I like it. But you know, you got to try new things and stuff. So yeah, thanks for hanging out. Hope you're doing well, taking care of yourself, taking care of each other. You like this video, if you'd like to, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram, 93lumber. That's spelled out, 93lumber. We will see you in the next one. Cheers.